What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to change the battery in a Corvette key. This smart key is going to take replacement battery CR2032, and we're also going to be using a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the smart key. That's done by pressing this release on the front, and then the key will slide out like that. And go ahead and set that key to the side. Now what we want to do is grab our screwdriver and we're going to run it along the side of the fob in this crack that separates the front and the back of the case. And we just want to be careful for two things. One, we don't want to mess up the case of the fob. And two, you want to be careful not to slip off and accidentally get yourself in the hand. So start on the edge and just slowly and carefully work your way around. And once you get it open far enough, you can just pull it apart with your hands like that. And now in the back of the case, we can see our battery right here. And there's a little notch that'll allow you to get the blade under and it'll come up. And what happened here may happen to you as well, where the this battery clip came off with the battery. So if that happens, go ahead and take the battery out of it like that. And then we're just going to put this back in the case. And the way you want to line this up is this part right here, this contact is going to go in this cutout right here. So it'll end up looking like that. Then we will grab our new battery. And we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down. Like that. Now we're going to go ahead and put these two halves back together. So what you want to line up here is that button that we pressed to get the emergency key out. You can see it right here. You want to line that up in the slot on the bottom. And that part you want to be pretty careful with, because if you try to push it together before that's lined up, you can break that button off. So just make sure that's lined up properly right there. And then once it is, go ahead and snap it back together. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.